Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma and today we are celebrating, it is July here, and we are celebrating July birthdays, and the makeup looks that I'm doing this year are based on and inspired by the flower of the month. So I don't know if you know this, I thought this was quite surprising actually, but July's flower of the month is a water lily, which is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm excited. I pulled together a cute look. It's really classy looking. These are the colors that we're going to be using today, and let's get started. So we're going to use our all over eyeshadow brush, and we are going to start with this highlight color. It's a white sparkly color. It's called Crystalline. So I'm just going to get some of that on our brush. And this is going to go above the crease. So you can see kind of above the eyelid part all the way up to the eyebrow. Some women are kind of uncomfortable putting color up there, but trust me, it will all turn out fantastic. So this is gonna go up, again, just a wash across the upper part of the eyelid area. Then we are going to use, because the water lily has a little bit of gold in it, we're going to use Gold Status, which is a super pretty color, and this is going to go on the lower lid part. Super pretty. A lot of shimmer going on there, so what we'll do is we will use, I'm going to use our crease brush, which is has a pointed top to it. And we're going to use this Dusty Rose color, which is a matte. Just get that on the point like that, and then we're going to put this right into the crease. So we're going to just soften up the shimmer a little bit. I know this looks like a lot of mishmash, but trust me, it will all come together. Actually, let's go ahead and blend that now. So we do have this amazing soft, super soft blending brush, and we're just going to blend that all together so we don't have any harsh lines or demarcation lines. So it's all nice and softly put together. Then we are going to use our liquid liner, and we'll do a line across the top. Now this is a waterproof liner, which is awesome for summer, right? If you're out and about or it's rainy or you're at the pool, no worries. You can get fancy, you can do your wing, you can do a thicker line, thinner line, but today I'll just keep it fairly basic. Let it dry just for a minute, because then what we want to do is I'm going to use our eyeliner brush, which is a sharp pointed brush. And we're going to use this color, which is Emerald Noir. Super pretty, super pretty. And we're just going to take the pointed part of our brush and line right over that black line with this super green color. If you want to make this even more dramatic, you can wet your brush first and like paint it on. It does look amazing. So that just gives us that little bit of green like the water lily, and then the soft light colors on the top of the flower. And then we'll use our Lash Love mascara. Finish it off. I feel like the mascara is the icing on the cake, right? Because it brings it all together. So it's a really great, very unique color combination. Great for summer, great for something different. Water lily inspired eye look. I have a little bit of additional green on the corner, so we'll get rid of that. Then I wanted to pop the cheeks a little bit because it is summer, so some bold pink with our cheek brush. You can see that it's slightly rounded, which is awesome. We're going to use Darling Pink today. Just circle on the apple of the cheek. That's the big fat part when you smile. Circles along the cheekbone and up into the hairline a little bit. And then keeping with that soft, pretty theme, I think we'll go with Luminous Lilac lipstick. I'll just scrape some off because I like to use our lip brush. But that's a great color. Great for this time of year for sure. Our lip brush is a nice, it's almost like a stiffer end to it, which is awesome. Helps us to get that line. And just apply that to our lips. Gives it a soft pink purple look. And there you have it. That's our water lily inspired look for July. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. Of course, if you want to purchase any products, contact your independent Mary Kay beauty consultant. And if you don't have one and you live here in Canada, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks so much and enjoy your month.